Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz, and today we will talk about the user interface of an AutoCAD. First, I will go to AutoCAD icon and then click it, and it will take several seconds to open. And if you would have then in our previous class, I had told you how to open M5, so I will directly open this file. So, first of all, I would off Grid Veteran, then go to Units and select Architecture. Then type D and go to all those settings which we had discussed in our previous class. First of all, I will talk about line. This is line. Okay. First of all, I will talk about all those icons that are seen uh, at our periphery or along our borders. So I had given you a detailed description about model layout and this grid pattern. So after that, I will discuss all those things with you. This is snap mode, and in this mode, this will show us snapping, polar snapping, or another type of snapping. This is perpendicular mode. If you have to draw a line perpendicularly, then you have to open that mode. Then I will click it, and you will see the difference. This is the power of this icon. Then these are all this circular icon will show you uh, that if you have to draw a line along these degrees, then it will give you it will give you an option to draw a line along these angles. I will click it and then show you guys. These are the various options given by this command. So I will off it. These are the isometric drafting. These are some of the planes that we will do. This will help in our 3D modeling. So I will go with ISO plane left. These are some of the snapping angles that we have to be this is snapping. This green this green box will show you the snapping. If we and this rectangular box are also some of the snapping tools that if you draw a line and if in endpoint and midpoint, if you have to Connect this line in at midpoint or end point at center point at geometric center, then this would be helpful for you. This is scale, annotation scale. If you have to publish your drawing, then this will give you a detail. The settings icon will give you a workspace, and this we will go in drafting annotation. This will be 3D basics. When you have to draw a 3D drawing, then it will give you all the basics around it. Yes, some of the things. And then we will come to home tab. In this tab, these are some of the icons. There's this icon show line. Okay, if you have to click it, then line will be automatically selected, and this will be the polyline. This will be the polyline. This is the circle. This is the arc. These are all the rectangle types, polygon types. This is elliptical arc. This one is used for hatching. These are some of the settings: trim, copy, mirror, and mirror, stretch, scale, and move, rotate, and trim. And this is eraser. This one is explode command, and this is offset command. But I will not get in details of all those commands, because we will use those commands by shortcuts. This one is the text, and if you have to slide a single line text, then it will give you single line, multi-line. This will give you a dimension, and these are some. This one is the ladder, remove ladder, aligned ladder, collect ladder. This one is used for labeling your drawing, your working drawing. This is the layer properties, layer panels. Okay, this one is used for all the layers that we use in our drawing. And this is insert. These are some of the properties of layers. These are the groups that we will use. These are measuring tools or for area calculation. This is for copy command, and this is for view command. Uh, this one is home tab. Then we will go to insert tab. Insert tab, we don't use it as much. We use command for it, for shortcuts. This one is annotation tab. We also use the commands for such tab. We just use parametric, view, manage, output. These are all those commands that we will use with shortcuts. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hope it would be beneficial for you.